Hello there, and welcome back to Between the Keys. I've been teaching my way through the US Top 40, and today I'm on song number 30. If I'm being a little quieter tonight, it's because it's evening time. It's 11 o'clock in Chiang Mai, in Thailand, where I live, and I don't want to disturb the neighbours too much, but I've got the headphones on, so should be okay. This is Lose Control. Teddy Swims, F sharp minor is your first chord. It's a 4-chord song. You only need 4 chords. It's F sharp. Oh, I'm on organ. Change to piano. F sharp minor. A over E. E is in the bass. D is your next one. D over F sharp. F sharp in the bass. Then C sharp. Move that down to F in the bass. Let's do them again. F sharp minor. A over E. That's your rhythm, by the way, as well. D over F sharp. C sharp over F. One more time. Summer's got a hold of me lately. Hey. No, I don't know myself anymore. D over F sharp. Feels like the walls are closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good? A over E. That being alone, yeah, D over F sharp. Don't forget the bass notes. Taking a toll on me, trying to keep me from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know? We're going to the chorus, don't you know? I lose control. Something like that. F sharp. I lose control when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? Those two at the end there. So it was F sharp and then A over E, then D over F sharp. You've seen all of those before. And then it was C sharp but with a 4 instead of a third. So this is a normal one. And here's with a 4. That's the 4 in C sharp. And actually the bass is F sharp. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? C sharp over F. We go again. I lose control when you're not next to me. D over F sharp. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. We go to verse 2. Problematic problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. I know I could do it on my own, but I want that real full moon black magic, and it takes 2. Problematic problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some release. My skin in your teeth, can't see the forest through the trees. Wrong bass note, F sharp. Forest through the trees, got me down on my knees, oh please, oh. We go to the chorus again. I lose control. As you'll see, I only know the melody for the chorus. When you're not next to me, I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control. Stop. I'm actually going to put it back on organ. Because that's what he uses in the track. But I have to turn it down, I think, for organ. Control when you're not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. F sharp again, chorus. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. I hope that helped you to learn that song from the US Top 40, which is Lose Control by Teddy Swims. I gave it a quick listen and then I went through it. You can use piano or you can use organ to be more accurate to the original track, which is always what I try to do. I think it's good practice, at least when you first learn a song. The next one is going to be Nasty by Tinashe. Tinash. I don't know how you say that. But the song's called Nasty. I'm going to go and listen to it, and then I'm going to teach it to you people who are watching. If you liked the video, then please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so that I can keep making more. And if you have any requests for other songs, please put them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.